Did you know that 64% of Americans can't cover a $400 emergency expense? That's nearly two-thirds of people living paycheck to paycheck. But here's the thing. Most of these financial struggles could be avoided with one simple tool that takes just 30 minutes to set up. I'm about to show you exactly what budgeting is, why it's your financial lifeline, and how to create one that actually works, all in the next 5 minutes. Hey everyone, welcome back to Clear Cash, the channel that makes personal finance crystal clear for beginners. I'm here to help you take control of your money without the confusing jargon or complicated spreadsheets. Today we're covering the absolute foundation of financial success, budgeting. If you've ever wondered where your money goes each month, felt overwhelmed by your finances, or want to finally start saving, this video is for you. We'll cover what budgeting actually means, why it's crucial for your financial health, the simple steps to create your first budget, and the biggest mistake that kills most budgets before they even start. Let's start with the basics. A budget is simply a plan for your money. Think of it like GPS for your finances. It tells you where your money is going and helps you reach your destination. Here's a simple way to think about it. Imagine your income is a pie. Budgeting is deciding how big each slice should be before you start eating. Without a budget, you might devour the dessert slice first and realize you have nothing left for the main course. A budget has three basic parts: your income, money coming in; your expenses, money going out; and the difference between them. When you spend less than you earn, that difference becomes your savings and the foundation of your financial future. Here's why budgeting isn't optional. It's essential. First, it gives you control. Instead of wondering where your money went, you'll know exactly where it's going. Second, it helps you avoid debt. The average American household carries $6,194 in credit card debt. Most of this happens because people spend without a plan. A budget acts like a financial guardrail, keeping you on track. Third, budgets help you save automatically. When you assign every dollar a job, including saving, you'll be amazed how quickly your emergency fund grows. Even saving just $50 per month adds up to $600 by year end, enough to handle many unexpected expenses. But here's the real game changer. Budgets reduce money stress. When you have a plan, those 3 a.m. worries about money start to disappear because you know you're in control. Creating a budget is easier than you think. Start with the 50-30-20 rule. It's perfect for beginners. Here's how it works. Allocate 50% of your after-tax income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings and debt payments. Let's say you bring home $3,000 per month after taxes. That means $1,500 for needs like rent, groceries, utilities, and minimum loan payments. $900 goes to wants like dining out, entertainment, and subscriptions. And $600 goes to savings and extra debt payments. To get started, track your spending for 1 week. Don't change anything. Just write down every purchase. You'll probably be shocked at where your money actually goes. I once had a client who discovered she was spending $180 per month on coffee. That's $2,160 per year. Next, categorize your expenses into needs and wants. Be honest here. That premium Netflix subscription is a want, not a need. Your car payment is a need. Finally, use any method that works for you. Some people love apps like Mint or YNAB. Others prefer a simple notebook or even cash in labeled envelopes. The best budget system is the one you'll actually use. Here's where most budgets fail. Perfectionism. People think one overspend means their budget is ruined, so they quit entirely. That's like saying you ruined your diet because you ate one cookie, so you might as well eat the whole package. Your budget will never be perfect, and that's okay. The goal is progress, not perfection. If you overspend in one category, simply adjust another category or learn from it for next month. Budgeting is a skill that improves with practice. All right, let's recap the key points. Budgeting is simply planning where your money goes before you spend it. It prevents debt, builds savings, and reduces stress. Start with the 50-30-20 rule. Track your spending and remember that progress beats perfection every time. Your homework is simple. Track every purchase for the next 7 days. Don't judge. Don't change anything yet. Just observe. You can use your phone's Notes app, a small notebook, or even take photos of receipts. If this video helped clarify budgeting for you, smash that like button and subscribe for more beginner-friendly finance tips. Next week, I'm breaking down the envelope method, a cash-based budgeting system that makes overspending nearly impossible. Drop a comment below and tell me, what's your biggest challenge with money right now? I read every comment and often turn your questions into future videos. Remember, every financial expert started exactly where you are right now. You've got this, and I'm here to help every step of the way.